Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 52 related to the topic mensuration. Right, here is the first question. If the radius of a cylinder is half and height is doubled, then what will be the CSA? CSA is nothing but curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? So here radius is half, right? R is equal to 1 by 2 into R, and height h is equal to 2h. H is equal to 2h. Then what will be the CSA? So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r into h. This is the curved surface area. Now this is 2 into pi into r is r by 2, right? R by 2, h is 2h, right? 2 get cancelled, that is equal to again 2 pi rh. If radius is decreased to half and height is increased to double, means height is double and the radius is half, in that case the curved surface area of cylinder is never change, means same. So the correct answer is same. CSA is same. Now coming to the next one, the sum of radius and height of a solid cylinder is 37 centimeters. Means given r plus h is equal to 37 centimeters. Radius and height of a solid cylinder, sum, right? So r plus h is equal to 37 centimeters. If the total surface area of that solid is nothing but cylinder, is 1628 centimeter square, then the circumference of the base is, so total surface area TSA, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. We know this formula, right? Total surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h square units. So this is equal to what is given? 1628 centimeter square, cm square. So that implies 2 pi r into r plus h. R plus h is given 37 centimeters, right? 37 is equal to 1628. That implies 2 pi r is equal to 1628 by 37 by 37. These 37 ones are, and this is 4 times, again this 4 times, that is equal to 44 centimeters. So circumference 2 pi r is nothing but circumference of the circle. So base of the cylinder is in the form of circle, right? So circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeters. So the correct answer is option 2. Now coming to the next one, a cylindrical pillar is 50 meter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Then the cost of painting the CSA, means curved surface area of the pillar, at rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square is. So cylindrical pillar is 20 centimeter, 50 meter in diameter. So radius is equal to how much? 25 meter, right? Radius, diameter is 50 meters, means radius is 25 meters, comma, height h is equal to 3.5 meters, right? Now we want to find CSA. First we want to find CSA, then that resultant value multiplied with 12.50, we get the answer, right? So CSA of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R, that is 25 meters, into H is 3.5. This is equal to 0.5. 0.5. That is equal to 44 into 2 into 22, 44 into 25 into 0.5 centimeter square, sorry, meter square. This is meter square, right? So chord surface area of the cylinder is 44 into 25 into 0.5 meter square. Now for meter square, how much cost? 12.50. 12.50. So that is equal to 44 into 25 into 0.5 into 12.50. So that is equal to 44 into 0.5, that is 22 into 25 into 12.50. 12.50. That is equal to 22 into 25. This is 550 into 12.5 into 12.5. That is nothing but 55 into 125. Now multiply 125, 55. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 1 5 5 6. That is equal to 5786. That is 6875 rupees. How much cost? That is equal to 6875 rupees. So the correct answer is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meters. Length is nothing but height of that cylinder is given 28 meters and a diameter 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters means radius is 2.5 centimeters. That is equal to 0.025 meters. Means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So centimeters can be converted into meters, means by 100. So that is 0.025 meters given. Then the total radiating surface in the system is approximately means we want to find total surface area. Total surface area of that cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r? 0.025 into r plus h. What is h? 28 plus h is 0.025. That is equal to 22 into 2, 44 into 0.025 into 28.025 by 7. By 7. Approximate value, right? This 7 in this 4 times. Approximately 4 times. 4.0 something. We will consider it as a 4. That is equal to 4 into 4 16, 1 4 16, 176 into 0.025. 0.025. If you multiply these two, we get the answer is 4.4 meter square. So the correct answer is option 1, 4.4 meter square. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.